Hi everyone, this is Heidi Reams with Floyd County Conservation, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the bird feeders out of our bird feeder kit. There are two feeders included in this one. The first bird feeder is a tube feeder, which has the tube, the two end caps, and some dowel pieces. The other one is a wine bottle bird feeder, and that includes the back and the tray, as well as 3 wooden pieces to go around the tray, and a hose clamp to hold your bottle onto the board. As always, there's an instruction sheet, as well as some helpful tips as to what kind of seed to put in these feeders and where to locate them in your yard. So let's get started. So as with any of our bird feeder or birdhouse kits, we do recommend pre-drilling before using screws to attach the pieces. So now we have our tray and back piece built. So all we'll need to do next is attach the hose clamp. In order to attach the hose clamp to the bird feeder, what I did was I drilled a series of holes about 1 inch in from the sides, and then I opened up the hose clamp and thread it through. Then all you need to do is tighten it up to secure your bottle. You want it sitting about halfway up the depth of the tray, and all of the seed will come out with gravity, but just as needed to keep the tray full. When your bottle is empty, you can just take it out and fill it up with seed. As with any of our projects, if you'd like to paint it or stain it to match your outdoor accessories, that's fine. And I hope you enjoy all the birds that will come to your yard this winter. All right, so now we're going to make the tube feeder. So you're going to want to start by putting one of the ends on the tube, and then about 2 inches up, you're going to take a 1/4 inch drill and go through the tube. After you've gone all the way through, then you're going to turn the tube 90 degrees, go up approximately 4 inches, and do the same thing. So those holes that you've just drilled, you can take the dowels then and insert them through. So now you've got your perches inserted, and so about 1 to 2 inches above each one of the perching sites, you're going to take the 1/8 inch drill and make a hole and kind of turn it into an oval in order for the birds to get the thistles out. Keep in mind on the top that you're also going to add this top cap, so make sure not to put your holes above where this cap is going to go. Now, on how you want to hang it is kind of a personal preference. You can put the top on, put a hole in the middle, and put a rope through there. Or if you'd like, you could add 2 holes and put a wire up and around. So it's just up to you. Then fill it with thistle, hang it outside, and enjoy the birds.